Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your Singtel Askey AP5100W Wi-Fi mesh system using the simple and fast WPS method. This method ensures you get seamless and reliable internet coverage throughout your home with minimal effort. Let's jump right in and get started. Start by unboxing the Askey AP5100W package carefully. Inside, you'll find the Wi-Fi mesh units, power adapters, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Take a moment to verify that all components are included and in good condition before moving forward with the setup process. Start by taking the main mesh unit and connecting it to your current router using the included Ethernet cable. Next, plug in the power adapter and turn on the unit. Allow a few moments for the LED indicator to stabilize, which will confirm that the unit is ready for pairing. Next, find the WPS button on your mesh extender, typically labeled with the WPS icon. Before proceeding, make sure that WPS is enabled in your router's settings. If necessary, log into your router's interface and enable the WPS feature to allow for seamless pairing. Now, press the WPS button on your router to initiate the pairing process. This will allow your router to search for nearby devices ready to connect. Hold the button for a few seconds until the WPS light begins to flash, indicating that the pairing mode is active. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, go ahead and press the WPS button on the main mesh unit. This will trigger the pairing process, allowing the mesh unit to connect with your router for a seamless network setup. The LED indicator on the mesh unit will blink as it attempts to pair with your router, signaling that the devices are communicating with each other. Once the pairing process is complete, the LED will turn solid, confirming that the connection has been successfully established and the unit is ready to use. Once all the nodes are successfully connected, test your Wi-Fi coverage by moving around different areas of your home. If you notice any weak signal spots, try repositioning the nearest node to a more optimal location. This will help improve overall coverage and ensure a stronger, more reliable connection throughout your home. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our team of skilled professionals is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Simply give us a call at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll gladly assist you. And that's it. Your Singtel Askey AP5100W Wi-Fi mesh system is now successfully set up using the WPS method, providing you with smooth and reliable internet coverage throughout your home. If this guide was helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.